Who can I work with? The hungry, the driven, the committed, those who will do whatever, whenever, to the level of the utmost of their ability, that go above and beyond the call of duty, that go the extra mile. Those are the only people I can work with, folks.
This is Life 101. It's supposed to be in a program in every, let's say, high school. People, before they decided to have kids, they should go through a class like that.
What I've gotten out this weekend was how simple it is to put yourself in an emotional state of positive well-being.
Carlos is awesome.
Yes.
That's right.
We're going to be millionaires. Reprogramming that I should have gotten 20 years ago.
We're going to take situations that you don't feel powerful in, and we're going to teach you how to feel powerful in those situations.
I won't look at things, at myself the same way. Never again. This is the beginning of my life. Thanks, Carlos.
It stripped layers of things just blocking me from success, all within hours. I couldn't thank him enough.
This weekend has been a transformation completely, mentally, spiritually. Friday, I had a totally different mentality than what I have now. Love Carlos. Carlos is the man. He's the man with the master plan.
I learned a long time ago, I don't listen to anybody who doesn't have what I want. And that would be a good principle for you to live by. Never listen to anybody who doesn't have what you want.
Carlos has a way of taking everything. I've been doing this for a long time, but he has a way of just unprogramming the old and programming the new, and puts everything together and gives you tools that you can go out and use every day in any part of your life, and it's been wonderful. It's been life-changing.
Weekend with Carlos not only gave me the key to unlock my success, gave me an axe and a battering ram.
I uncovered things and got a new perspective on what I need to do to transform my life so that I can achieve everything that I want to make manifest in my life right here this weekend.
Well, I guess I could say that I learned that a younger man could teach an older man how to change his life, and Carlos has certainly done that for me, and I have the ultimate respect for that man for taking the time and the opportunity to teach us a way to change our life. And God bless him.
I have tried 1,000 things, and this is the one that works. It is fantastic. You have got to do this training.
Ladies and gentlemen, anything that you can do in one context, anything you're good at in one context in your life, in one situation, is transferable to any other situation or multiple situations. All you got to do is figure out one thing you're good at.
I'm so empowered. I learned a lot. I was waiting for this moment of my life. This is it. I was waiting for it, and Carlos did an amazing job.
Well, it's another me. It's a different me. My thoughts are different. Now I'm ready to kick the world. I'm own the world.
More in love in life, and it's like I found the reason why I'm here.
Life is different than what you really think it is. Sometimes you make something up that's really not there, and now you have the opportunity to make something that you want to have there. Thank you, Carlos.
If you want to be a millionaire, you got to think like a millionaire, you got to act like a millionaire. All I'm doing is doing that.
I do feel that changed my way of thinking, how I'm going to approach my life from now on. I've been positive thinker, but this is totally took it to another level. Thank you, Carlos.
This is the best weekend. We have so many tools to work with. We have so many different ways to think of things now. So we have a lot to take with us and a lot to work on. And it's been great. Awesome. Love Carlos.
Oh, it's the most exciting weekend we had. We have made so many changes to our values, to our dreams, to our goals. The program is fantastic.
Life-changing experience, life-changing.
It's been a life-changing weekend. I have suffered a lot in the past from feeling like I wasn't worthy or deserving, and I now have the tools to handle that.
If you want to overcome fears, if you want to overcome limited belief, this is a place to be.
It's life-changing, and I definitely recommend it to anybody that wants to change their life for the good.
Can you be successful if you fear failure? No, you can't. You're totally psychologically reversed.
I'm here for money specifically, but from day one you can see how this could help in your relationships with your siblings, with your children, with your spouse. It can help in everything.
I found
values were missed out. I came up with a different perspective in life. It's a life-changing event.
It is a life-changing experience, and I highly recommend it.
I thought it was one of the most amazing seminars I've ever been to. Highly recommend it.
Hey, this has been a great class. Carlos has really put the material together. Makes good sense. I'm really getting a lot out of this.
I'm getting a lot more than I ever expected. First, I wasn't sure if I was going to come, but I've been glad that I did. There's a lot to learn from him.
This time, having this told in such a systematic way, with such a clarity, I have the feeling that now it will stay with me.
You have to be here. You have to be. Thank you all.
My mission is to help you find that greater you, bring it out, help you become wealthy, successful, happy, loving, and kind, so together we can change the world.